Hi everyone, you are watching Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna show you that how to clean the snapper. So this is a snapper, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna cut off all the wings. I need it, or if you want to cut it off, you can cut it off. This one and this one and this one and this one. That's fine, but I'm not gonna cut it off because I want it for my presentation. So once you serve like this, it looks like a real fish and you feel to eat it. You feel to kill it actually. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean inside all the dirts and guts has inside. So what you have to do is, this belly is underneath. You use the tip of your knife. You're gonna stab it, and then you're gonna cut towards to the its mouth. So you're gonna cut in this way. From this, there's another wing underneath. You can start from there and go towards to his mouth. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna go toward its mouth and you're gonna cut this way, and then you're gonna get all the dirts, all unnecessary parts, which is not gonna cook it, which is not we're gonna eat. So make sure you use your hand, guys. So you can cut it through it. So you can scrape this one down. You can check properly whether it's done or not, so you can get all organs inside. You don't have to use this one for baking. All the blood is there, bloody stuff. Make sure you're careful with that because there is a bones. You don't have to get hurt. That's inside, guys. This is done cleaning inside. What are you gonna do now? You're gonna scrape the scales, or you're gonna clean the scales. What are you gonna do? You're gonna start from the tail side and you're gonna scrape down towards his mouth. So as you can see, the scales coming off. See guys, the scales coming off very easily. The snapper is not a hard fish to clean it up. So you just have to grab towards his mouth and you're gonna get off every single scales. So you see the scales. Make sure you do it properly. Don't miss any scales. You don't have. I want you to have the real fish, and I want you to season all the part of his fish. If you have the scale of the fish, you can't season really well. So you're gonna clean this side. You're gonna scrape down till his mouth, and then you're gonna flip it over. Then you're gonna start from the tail again, scrape down towards his mouth. Make sure you do not press into the fish, otherwise you're gonna cut the fish. So you do it slightly, nice and easy. So you're gonna scrape down. Make sure you scrape down all the scales, even under the belly. So now you can feel it. if you feel any scales, so it's mean you have to redo it again. But once I feel it, though there's no scales, so it's mean you've done a perfect job. So I'm gonna check this side too. See, there's no scales, so it's mean it's perfectly done. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna wash this one now. So now I'm gonna wash this one. I'm gonna use the cold water, the running water. So make sure the water not split into you, and slowly get the old scale off, the dirt inside the fish. Let it wash it off. Let's wash this one off. So all the bloody parts, all the organs, if you can grab this one out, so that would be the great. So see guys, so now you can even feel it. There's no scales. So if you find any scale, you can take it off through your hand. So there are some few scales here, so I can grab it from my hand. As I said, it's easy with the snapper. The scales is not very tough, not stick to his skin, so you can remove it very easily. But I prefer not to take off all the wings to give nice look with the presentation. So this is done, guys. This is how we clean up the fish and wash it up. So thanks guys, thanks for watching me, thanks for subscribing, Cooking with the Brown Chef. I'm gonna see you with a different video.